Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add comments. So every single object on the workspace has two icons. One of them is the context menu and the other one is the commenting button. And so whenever you want to comment on something, let's say that, I want to comment on this one, I'm going to click on the commenting button and that opens up this window for me. And I can say here, please make sure to provide examples. And then I'm going to comment on it. And the moment I'm doing that, you see that this object gets a number that says how many comments are available here. And once the students who get this project are getting into the project, they will see the comment showing up there and they will be able to then respond. So thank you, and I'm going to see you in the next video.